Well, we have a hailstorm going on. And we'll have to shoot it through the window here. We put up plastic here, but you can still see a little bit through that plastic. Imare's sunroom. Now, I'll go to the front and see what I can shoot there. Well, you can see it building up in the valley over there. I'll zoom in. Well, it's pretty much stopped out here in the front. You don't really see much now. Oh well, it was like about just a few minutes of ice coming down. I would imagine we're going to get some snow pretty soon. And this is a good day, December 29th. And the oaks still have a few leaves up there. Look at that. Almost all gone now. Alright, the ice has changed now to snow. And very, very light. Like little sprinkles of snow. You can't even see them unless I magnify this thing and hit that right there. Let's see if you can see it on here. Yeah, there you can see a couple little drops coming down across the window there. Alright, I'll keep recording to see if we get any heavier ones coming. This is about 10 minutes since the ice hail. And it's finally changed to snow. Well, let's see. A couple hours later, and there you have it. The snow gave up. Puffy white clouds. And hopefully it's going to be a sunny day for the rest of it. Alright. Adios until the next snowstorm.